Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dime Peace and I'm here to show you how to achieve your very own butterfly locks. So here's what I use. You're gonna need packs of RastAfri's new distressed butterfly locks. I use their extra long length, which is the XXL. So if you like a long length, I suggest you grab those. You're gonna also need a crochet needle. And let me show you what the packaging looks like so you know exactly what to look for at your local beauty supply store. So in each pack, you get about 12 pieces. And I used about 8.5 packs, and that gave me a really nice full look, which you'll see at the end of this video. So they're super lightweight, super fluffy. It's not gonna cause weight or tension to your hair, and they come done for you. Normally to achieve butterfly locks, you have to do so many steps. You have to section off your hair, braid your hair in sections and individuals, wrap the hair and include the wavy ends, like that's doing too much. Anything that's gonna help cut styling time, I'm all for it. So no more spending days to get your beautiful butterfly locks. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab your crochet needle, and of course you're gonna need a braid base. So normally you would corn roll your entire hair to conceal it so you can crochet the pieces into your braid base. But I wanted a more natural individual look because I want to put it in a ponytail, I want to do a side part. So what I did was corn roll the back of my hair to crochet the pieces in, and then I did individual box braids to crochet the distressed butterfly locks by RastAfri to kind of give it that look like I individually did that actual distressed butterfly lock, when really I didn't, I just crocheted it. I wanted to start in the back on a corn rolled braid base. So what you do is you bring the needle open, loop the RastAfri distressed butterfly lock XXL into the needle, pull it through, and then loop the piece through the loop, and that completes the crochet. So go ahead and repeat these steps until we're done with the back. All right, now it's time to crochet the pieces into the perimeter where I did the individual box braids. Again, you repeat the step of crocheting the piece into your box braid. Now what I did was I cut a few of the RastAfri distressed butterfly locks because I wanted to use the hair to wrap around the piece in my braid to conceal it, to give it that individual distressed butterfly lock look. Now there's different ways you can do it. You can also crochet your box braid in to the piece and then wrap, or just continue to do that, but I felt like that would take more time. So what I did was I just crocheted the actual RastAfri distressed butterfly lock into my box braid, and then I took the hair that was cut from the RastAfri distressed butterfly lock and I used that to conceal and wrap. And now you're done with best of both worlds. You have your individual look in the front and your crocheted RastAfri distressed butterfly locks in the back. And because I did this option, I can wear it to the side. I can wear my distressed butterfly locks up in a ponytail. The styles are endless. And I love giving all my RastAfri protective styles some bling. So be sure to pick up some of the RastAfri Jewels that's available at your local beauty supply store to glam up your distressed butterfly locks. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on the way.